Click on the plus icon. Now enter your app name. In the next step, select your business type. Choose an app template that you like. Click on Add Page. Enter your page name. Now click on Navigation. Then drag and drop swipe navigation on app screen. Finally, drag and drop pages here on the right side. Now, swipe navigation is ready.